Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will understand one of the most common questions. What is the difference between a civil case and a criminal case? Yes, let's make it super simple and clear. What is a civil case? Yes, a civil case means a dispute between two private parties. Yes, it can be about money, property, contract or family matters. Yes, the main aim is compensation, not punishment. For example, if someone breaks the contract and doesn't return your money, you can file a civil suit in the court. Yes. What is a criminal case? What is a criminal case? A criminal case means an offense against the society or the state. Here the government takes the action through the police. Yes. The main aim is punish the wrongdoer. The main aim is to punish the wrongdoer. Yes. For example, murder, assault or cheating. These are criminal cases. Yes. Who files the case? Civil cases, the person who suffers is called plaintiff. Plaintiff files the case. Criminal cases, the state files the case against the accused person. Criminal cases, the state files the case against the accused person, like State versus Rajesh Kumar. Yes. What is the result? What is the result? Yes. Civil case. Civil case equal to civil case may order the compensation or injunction, but in criminal case may give punishment like jail or fine. Yes. Standard of proof. Standard of proofs. Proof. Civil case based on preponderance of probabilities, which side seem more likely true. Criminal case based on the proof beyond the reasonable doubt. Yes, based on the proof beyond the reasonable doubts. Yes, court must be fully sure before punishing. Yes. Example summary. Civil case equal to if someone doesn't return your loan, it's civil case. But if someone steals your money, steals, STEALS, if someone steals your money, it's criminal. Yes. So remember, civil case equal to private dispute, criminal case equal to an offense against the society or the state. Yes, both are important, but they serve in different purposes in the justice system. Yes. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe for more simple legal video from me. Yes. See you soon. Bye bye.